Welcome back to Fire and Lemon. I'm so excited. It's springtime and we're going to build a raised vegetable garden.
You know, I'm excited about getting a vegetable garden going. You know, during these times, it's difficult getting to the supermarket, getting these things, but also nothing beats fresh vegetables. It's awesome. The only problem is our property, well, don't get me wrong, is gorgeous. I love it here. It's not ideal for big gardens or growing things. The only really location that we have is actually right in front of us.
That has full sun.
It has full sun. It's actually also very difficult to grow grass here. So it makes sense to put something here. We're going to do, like you said, raised gardens. We're going to utilize a technique called hugelkultur. There's a gentleman I really like on YouTube, Self-Reliant Me. We'll put the link down below for him. He's in Australia, but he's quite a good character, and I really enjoy watching him. So we've gotten all our supplies delivered. We got some dirt, we got lots of lumber, and we're going to start building them.
Well,
You
you've
know?
always been the gardener in the family, so I don't know too much about gardening.
Now's your time to learn.
Yes, I have a funny feeling this is the summer where I'll be learning more about it, and
Yeah.
it's I guess it'll be a hobby of mine.
Yeah, and throughout the summer we'll show you guys videos of how they're progressing. And you know, we're new, so any comments you have, we'd love to hear. You know, good suggestions. I've heard some things about mixing plants, like putting chrysanthemums in, or mixing onions with
Companion
tomatoes.
plants.
Companion
I
plants.
did some
yeah.
research, I know.
Look at it. Excellent. So I'm excited. I'm ready to go. There's really only one question left, though.
What's that?
Somebody's got to build and somebody's got to film. What do you want? Which one? You want to do rock, paper, scissors?
No, I think I'll just stick with the filming.
So I'll build. I like building.
Yes, you do.
So let's do this. Hope you guys enjoy it. beautiful. You see it? Look at all those worms. They are going to be happy, happy worms. Well, it's been a few weeks since we finished the build. You know, we've got it all planted. We built our trellis. Foolish me, I forgot to film it. That was funny. You know, we made it out of cattle fence. We'll show you some pictures after, but the stuff is like a spring. So bending it into shape, and we have a tight curve we're bending it into. It was quite the ordeal. I'm sure it was very funny on film. It's unfortunate we didn't capture it. We'll show you some. Yeah, and now we've got it all planted.
Yeah, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the whole planting of the garden, getting to choose the vegetables that we planted, which, by the way, we've got a ton of tomatoes. Some might say
Tomato King, your queen.
Some might say it's too much, but not for me. And we've got some peppers, we've got lettuce and beets and carrots and cilantro and
basil,
yeah,
onions.
So, yeah, I can't wait till it's in full bloom and we get to eat all these amazing vegetables that
nice and healthy.
Yeah, that I planted with my own two hands. So I like that idea.
You know, and you've got a new hobby that you're enjoying. And you know, normally I'm the outdoors person, doing all the landscaping and such, which I love. And it's great that you can share that with me now, and you have that same love for this garden, and that makes both of us happy.
Yes.
You know.
And I'm also happy that I'm not bending over
With
down
the raised
low.
garden,
I love
that's
that
nice.
it's raised.
Yeah.
It's
and this
it's
hugel culture that we used, that's cool. I'm anxious to see how that progresses over the years. So thanks for taking the time to watch our videos. We really do appreciate it. You know, if you haven't subscribed, please take the time to do so now. We love the support. And don't forget to like and thumbs up, and if you can, share us on other social media. Take care.
Yep, see you next time.
Ciao.